but still it's so more, right? Here the warning has also came up just now that the current value is too high. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Saksham and today we have got a new product with us over here, which is a speaker. Now this is not ordinary speaker that you think. This is a JBL speaker. Okay, the company JBL, that speaker it is, and it has very huge sound. Okay, and its sound quality is also very great. Okay, and as you can see, this all part which you can see in this front, this all is the speaker. Okay, and it also is a power bank. Now this is not just a speaker, this is also power bank. Okay, it has a 6000 mAh battery by which you can use it to charge your mobile phones as well when you are in emergency. So after playing the songs you like or after listening to music, you can also charge your mobile when its charge is finished. So now let us unbox it together. Okay, I'm very excited to unbox this one, so let's start. Okay guys, see, this is the speaker. Now let us unbox it. Okay, so we'll push it over here. Okay, like this. So this is our box of the speaker. Okay, and here, see, it comes something like this. Here is our speaker, and here this was the band which I was talking about. See, this band we will get, this much band, and you can also extend it from here. How much long you want to make it, you can do it like this. See, and you can attach it in the speaker and you can hang it on your neck while you listening to music also. Okay, so it became very long, so for now I'll make it short only. Okay, so it's short. Now let's keep it aside, and we get this kind of cable. As you can see, USB to this kind of cable, this normal one, we can use it to charge. Okay, see, the box is empty, here is nothing. Now we get this speaker. Let's take it out. So as you guys can see, this is the JBL company speaker. This is the logo of JBL, and JBL is a very good company for manufacturing speakers, as you all know. So here you can see it, and this whole is the speaker part. Let me show you a closer look. It's all dot 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 dot, and inside there is speaker, very huge kind of speaker. So I think there are two speakers, okay, inside it. One is here, I guess. And here, this side, this is its body hole, and this side part is the bass check. Here, when the music comes, then if you touch this, then this will vibrate very strongly, okay, according to the bass, and you can feel it also when you are playing any kind of games. And if you connect your speaker with it, and if the shooting sound comes, then you will touch this, then you will feel like someone is shooting inside this speaker only. Okay, because its vibration is very high. Okay, so when you will touch like this, you will feel like someone is shooting inside only. So like that it is. And here we get to see 4 different kinds of button to control this speaker. So one is this M means mode. Okay, so there are 3 types of mode in the speaker. One is Bluetooth mode, one is FM mode, and one is AUF mode. Okay, so mostly all of us use Bluetooth mode, so I will show you that only. And FM mode means another that radio kind of mode. Okay, so that are the basic modes. And here this plus minus button. Okay, now these have 2 functions. Okay, one is if you press this plus button one time, just like this, if you press it, then next song will start to play. Okay, in your playlist, if you are playing a song from a playlist or any other things, then next song will come. Okay, this means next song will come, and this means previous song will come. Okay, now if you hold it for a long time like this, if you keep on holding, then the volume will increase. Okay, and if you keep on holding this for a long time, then the volume will decrease slowly. Okay, until it reaches to 0 and 100%. So this has 2 functions. If you click, then next song will come, and if you hold it, then volume increase and decrease will happen. Okay, and this one is play and pause button. Okay, this is very simple, I don't need to explain. If you are playing a song, then if you just click this, the song will be paused. If you just click this again, the song will be started to play. Okay, so these are the 2 sides of function. Okay, and here let's have a look over here. Okay, let me focus it over here. Okay, so these are the ports which are given to play the speaker. Okay, so let's select one by one. So here this small dot which you guys can see over here, this small dot over here, this is the indicator light. Okay, means if it is charging, then this light will be turned to red, and if it is on or connected and it is playing a song, then this light will change into blue. Okay, so in that case you will know. And this is a charging port which we have, which I already showed you guys here only, this one. So this charging port only it is used to charge this speaker. Okay, as you can see, not another charging port, only this port can use to charge the speaker, as you guys can see. And here next we have got a TF card. Okay, so TF card means that small like SD card type of things which you can insert, and if there is stored some amount of songs, then it will automatically start to play. And next is this USB. Okay, now this USB also you can use it for two types. One is if you have some songs in the USB drive, if you have, or a pen drive, let's say if you have stored some songs in a pen drive, then you can insert the pen drive and it will automatically start to play from the pen drive. Or you can also connect these kind of cables here, this USB cable, and this cable you can connect it to your mobile and it will also charge your mobile. Okay, so it works as a power bank, as I already said you before. And this last thing is on off button only, as you know. So now as you can see, if I will turn this on, then this light will start to blink to blue. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, let me focus it over here first. Okay, so here now let me turn it on. Okay, as you can see, this is the opening sound. Okay, this is the original sound of JBL speaker when the JBL speaker opens. So here as you can see, the light is blinking like fast, right? So that means it is not connected to any speaker. Now when it is connected, then the light will stop blinking like this. Okay, fast. So here in that case you can know. And if we are charging this, then the light will turn to red, as I already said you. Okay, done. Now you can hang it like this anywhere, in your neck or in your hand also you can hang it. Now let me show you by charging this through my power bank. Okay, so as you can see, this is a power bank which I bought recently. It's a Redmi power bank of 20,000 mAh, and if you want to see its unboxing video, I have also made it in my channel. Okay, so please go and check it out also. This is also very nice power bank. So let me show you by charging my speaker with this power bank only. Now I will keep it over here. Okay, see, the indicator light has turned to red, as you guys can see when I had charged. Once the speaker is fully charged, the light will stop. Okay, now let's move on to next part, which is connecting it and playing it. Okay, so here in this Bluetooth section, as you can see, this one ET801. Okay, the one which was in the box also here, this ET801. So this is our speaker. Okay, this one, let's pair it now. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, so the sound came, like that sound came, so that means it is connected, right? So now we can play any song with it. And you know what, you can also check the battery percentage here remotely, as you guys can see here. Here it is written connected and battery 80%, right? So you can check battery percent also with this. Okay, it is from Bluetooth only you can check battery percent. Okay, so now guys, as you guys can see, this is my sound dB meter. I installed this app, and now as you can see, this is my normal sound. Okay, when I'm talking, so it comes up to like average is 50. Okay, it comes the dB of my sound. Now let's see in the speaker sound. Okay, first of all, let's turn it to the lowest volume. Okay, now let us play the song. Okay, here, see, it is up to this much, and it's already more than my normal sound. Okay, see, here also came. Here the warning has also came up just now that the current value is too high. Okay, so now you guys can imagine how big this speaker sound produces. Okay guys, so as you saw how powerful this speaker was, the warning also arrived right now, as you saw yourself only, that this value was too high for measurement for the device, so it also couldn't measure, as you saw. So that's why now you can imagine how big the sound of the original speaker is. Okay, it can reach more than 120 dB also. Okay, as you can see, it can reach here more than 120 also, but just the device couldn't measure, that's why I can't show it to you. Now let us check its vibration also. Okay, so I am going to put a little bit amount of water over here. Okay, so as you guys can see over here, I have poured the water over here, and you can pour. If water comes over this part, it doesn't happen anything, okay, because this part is only waterproof, okay. But just don't let your water to come in this part or in this buttons part, okay, because that may damage the speaker. But this part is waterproof, so I can put my water over here. So I will just show you the vibration, okay, when it's on full sound, okay. Okay. Right now you can check it yourself only. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you also like this speaker, please say me in the comment box how you like it, and if you want some other details about this speaker, please ask me in the comment box. I will answer it. And if you want to buy this, then I will give the purchase link in the description. Please go and check it out. It's of various colors, okay, so you can customize your colors also, and according to this size and this much budget, then this speaker is very good, okay. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.